Cardiovascular health. Garlic can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health, reducing the risk of heart disease. Lowering blood pressure. Garlic contains compounds, including allicin, that have been shown to have a vasodilatory effect, meaning they can relax blood vessels. This relaxation of blood vessels leads to improved blood flow and can result in reduced blood pressure. For individuals with hypertension, high blood pressure, incorporating garlic into their diet may help manage their condition and reduce the risk of heart disease. Reducing cholesterol levels. High levels of LDL, low-density lipoprotein, cholesterol in the blood are a known risk factor for heart disease. Garlic has been studied for its potential to lower LDL cholesterol levels. Some research suggests that garlic may inhibit the synthesis of cholesterol in the liver and increase the excretion of cholesterol. By doing so, garlic can contribute to a healthier cholesterol profile and reduce the risk of atherosclerosis, hardening of the arteries. Improving blood circulation. Garlic's ability to relax blood vessels not only helps lower blood pressure but also improves overall blood circulation. This enhanced circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered more efficiently to various tissues and organs, including the heart. Improved blood circulation can reduce the workload on the heart and lower the risk of cardiovascular complications. Number 2. Immune system support. Garlic has immune-boosting properties due to its antibacterial and antiviral effects, helping the body fight off infections and illnesses. Immune-boosting compounds. Garlic is rich in sulfur-containing compounds like allicin, which are released when you crush or chop garlic. Allicin is known for its antimicrobial properties and is one of the key components responsible for garlic's immune-boosting effects. It has been shown to stimulate the production of white blood cells, which are essential for fighting infections. Antimicrobial properties. Garlic's antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal properties make it effective against a wide range of pathogens. These properties can help the body defend itself against various infections, including bacterial and viral illnesses. Garlic's ability to combat harmful microorganisms can contribute to a stronger immune system. Immune response enhancement. Garlic has been found to enhance the body's immune response. It can help increase the activity of immune cells, such as macrophages and lymphocytes, which play a crucial role in identifying and eliminating foreign invaders like viruses and bacteria. By supporting these immune cells, garlic helps the body mount a more effective defense against infections. Number 3. Antioxidant power. Garlic is rich in antioxidants, which combat free radicals and oxidative stress, potentially lowering the risk of chronic diseases. Rich in antioxidants, garlic is rich in a variety of antioxidants, including vitamin C and E, selenium, and various sulfur compounds, such as allicin. Antioxidants are molecules that help neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells, proteins, and DNA, contributing to various chronic diseases and aging. Combating oxidative stress. Oxidative stress occurs when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, with an excess of free radicals. This imbalance can lead to cellular damage and inflammation, which are associated with a wide range of health problems, including cardiovascular disease, cancer, and neurodegenerative disorders. Protecting cellular health. By reducing oxidative stress and neutralizing free radicals, garlic helps protect the health of cells throughout the body. This protection is essential for maintaining overall well-being and preventing cellular damage that can lead to chronic diseases. Number 4. Anti-inflammatory properties. Garlic contains anti-inflammatory compounds that may reduce inflammation in the body, benefiting various health conditions. Anti-inflammatory compounds. Garlic contains several bioactive compounds that contribute to its anti-inflammatory properties. One of the key compounds responsible for these effects is allicin, which is released when garlic is crushed or chopped. Allicin has been shown to have potent anti-inflammatory properties and is one of the primary reasons why garlic is considered a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Enhancing joint health. Garlic's anti-inflammatory effects can also benefit joint health. By reducing inflammation in the joints, garlic may help improve mobility and reduce pain associated with conditions like osteoarthritis. Potential role in allergy management. Some studies suggest that garlic may help modulate the immune response, potentially reducing allergic reactions and symptoms. While more research is needed in this area, garlic's anti-inflammatory effects may play a role in managing allergies. Number 5. Cancer prevention. Some studies suggest that garlic consumption may be associated with a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including stomach and colorectal cancer. Anti-cancer compounds. Garlic contains a variety of bioactive compounds, including allicin, which is often credited with its potential anti-cancer properties. These compounds have been shown in laboratory studies to have various mechanisms that may inhibit cancer development. Inhibition of cancer cell growth. Laboratory studies have demonstrated that garlic extracts can inhibit the growth of various cancer cell types, including those related to breast, lung, colon, and prostate cancers. These findings suggest that garlic may have direct antiproliferative effects on cancer cells. Cancer prevention as part of a balanced diet. It's essential to note that while garlic shows promise in cancer prevention, it is not a standalone solution. A balanced diet rich in a variety of fruits and vegetables, along with other healthy lifestyle choices, plays a crucial role in cancer prevention. Number 6. Detoxification. Garlic can aid in detoxifying the body by supporting liver function and promoting the removal of toxins. Liver support. The liver is a vital organ responsible for processing and eliminating toxins from the body. Garlic has been shown to support the liver's detoxification functions. It contains sulfur compounds, such as allicin, that enhance the production of enzymes necessary for the liver's detox processes. Aiding kidney function. Garlic may also support kidney function, another critical organ involved in detoxification. By promoting healthy kidney function, garlic assists in filtering and removing waste products and toxins from the bloodstream. Enhanced circulation. Garlic's ability to improve blood circulation can aid in the transportation of toxins to organs responsible for their elimination, such as the liver and kidneys. Improved circulation ensures that toxins are processed and removed more efficiently. Number 7. Improved digestion. Garlic can enhance digestion and promote gut health by stimulating the production of digestive enzymes. Stimulates digestive enzymes. Garlic contains compounds like allicin, which can stimulate the production of digestive enzymes in the stomach. These enzymes, including amylase, lipase, and protease, play a crucial role in breaking down carbohydrates, fats, and proteins in the food we consume. Promotes bowel regularity. Garlic has been traditionally used to promote bowel regularity. It can help prevent constipation by softening stools and improving their consistency. Regular bowel movements are essential for optimal digestive health. Gas reduction. Garlic may help reduce excessive gas production in the digestive system. Gas can lead to bloating and discomfort. By promoting efficient digestion and minimizing gas production, garlic contributes to digestive comfort. Number 8. Blood sugar regulation. Garlic may help regulate blood sugar levels, making it potentially beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk. Insulin sensitivity. Garlic contains bioactive compounds like allicin, which may enhance insulin sensitivity. Improved insulin sensitivity means that the body's cells can better respond to insulin, the hormone responsible for regulating blood sugar levels. This can help prevent blood sugar spikes after meals. Glucose metabolism. Some research suggests that garlic may influence glucose metabolism by increasing the uptake of glucose into cells, where it can be used for energy. This can contribute to more stable blood sugar levels. Reducing complications. Improved blood sugar control through garlic consumption may lower the risk of diabetes-related complications, such as nerve damage, kidney problems, and cardiovascular disease.